just joined up a new group. They are the United Big Bike Riders of Pampanga. And I just got invited to their top bike event with my OBR. So eto, pa-ride out pa lang kami dito sa Northwalk, Pampanga. And hopefully, I could catch up with them. Because most here are veteran riders. Unlike me, it's just starting out. Grabe yung traffic dito at this time. It's a 6-lane road. Pero yan, napakarami pa rin sasakyan. You know, bumomba na si Master. Biritan na. By the way, ang destination pala namin is dun sa La Isabella's Place sa Bacolor, Pampanga for an event with the BMW Motorrad. So, malapit na kami sa venue. It's a good thing everyone made it alive after that traffic. Forma talaga ng mga sports bike at mga naked bike itong mga Master. Ang sarap ng tunog. Sir. Kaya tayo. Mukhang maraming excited para sa event ng BMW Motorrad Pampanga. Saglit lang ah. Saglit lang. Wait. Okay. Go. Sige. Watch out sa ibang motor ah. Nauna pa pala tayo. Akala ko nahuli na tayo. Grabe yung traffic. Nakapag-overpass kayo, sir? Kung nag-overpass kayo? Kami naitula kami dito sa bigilid, talagang umana kami. Delikado eh. By the way, eto nga palang event na pinuntahan namin is for the launching of the BMW F450 GS. The newest and the most light adventure bike ng BMW. Sir, nawala ka. Ikaw yung sundan ko eh. Naipit tayo doon sa kanan, no? Tapos sa, naipush na sa...
Lahanap din ko. Umito kaya dito kami sa Clinton. Nahanap namin kayo.
Ito pala kayo. Dumiretso na ako kasi akala ko iiwan nyo na kami. Anyway, may mapa naman kaya sinundan ko na rin. Kaya nagulat ako pagdating ko. Kasunod pala kami, no? Ito pala kayo. Hindi ko napansin. Yung mahirap pag walang intercom eh.
Oo, boss.
Importante naka-intercom.
Importante talaga.
Doon saan?
Nasa likod ko kayo, sir. Check ko kayo.
Gano'n?
Oo.
Talaga.
Kala ko magsa San Miguel kaya may daan kasi doon.
Hindi, dapat ang tinuturo ako ng mapa doon sa overpass. Yung diretso. Kaso masyado malalaki yung mga sasakyan. Nai-push na kami sa kanan. Matakot.
Oo nga.
Hindi pa man din ako sanay sa mga singitan. Register.
Sakto nga. Ito, magpuan ba? Walang pangalan ko dyan. Dito na lang ako. So, registered sa ano?
Alright. Very nice.
Thank you po. Enjoy po.
Thank you. Dito. Grabe, mukhang napaka-prestigious ng event na to ah. Pang sosyalan ng datingan.
To our loyal customers, thank you for allowing us to be part of your adventures. To our partner, SMC Asia Car Distributors Corporation, BMW Motorrad Philippines, thank you for your unwavering support. And
or 100,000 kilometers?
So whichever's come first.
Yes, sir. Jan. 2026. Thank you, sir. Any?
Isn't expressway legal?
O yun, ganda ng tanong. Ito yung pinakahihintay natin dati, sir. From 310 GS, ngayon may expressway legal na tayo na bike. Hindi lang siya pang adventure, pasok na sa expressway.
I'm curious dun sa load capacity niya. How much weight yung pwedeng ikarga sa bike with luggage?
Maximum of 310 kg, sir.
Oh, okay. That's good. That's good.
Thank you.
300, grabe.
May trophy color.
Doble.
Ayun. Ito yung hinihintay kong tanong ng crowd. For the trophy, sir, currently, for this year,
Mas mahal. Yan yung high-end. So right now, the available variants is the red one, which is the sports version with better suspension, and the exclusive black, more suited for urban riding. There is a difference of 50,000 pesos for these two variants. The black one is priced at 498,000 pesos, while the red sports variant is priced at 548,000 pesos. This F450GS has a vibrant 6.5-inch TFT display as a standard equipment. It includes full smartphone connectivity for navigation, calls, and ride data, which you can easily control using BMW's signature multi-function scroll wheel on the left handlebar. You can refer to the BMW Motorrad website for the full spec sheet of these two beautiful bikes for a more detailed info. Links are available on the description and comments for your references. In my own opinion, however, as a beginner adventure rider, the stock F450GS is more suited for urban to moderate off-road adventure riding. Now, if you upgrade its wheels from mags to spoke and get a more proper off-road tires, these bikes are definitely going to be a beast on the trails. Its fully wet weight of 178 kilograms is gonna be a huge factor on technical trails. Now, I've been riding my Kove 800X Pro that weighs almost 200 kilograms, and yes, I get tired on that easily when riding off-road. Now, if I only have a 500k, I'll definitely buy one. But I'm more inclined to see first in person if BMW will release the original off-road Focus design for the F450GS here in the Philippines. And that's it, guys, for the F450 launch. And it was a satisfying experience for me na makahawak at makaamoy ng isang GS ng BMW. For now, I'm just gonna enjoy this venue here in La Isabella's Place. And look at the biking community here, guys. Mukhang marami talagang dumayo dito sa launch event ng BMW. Para akong nasa Disneyland, kakatitig dito sa mga magagandang motor. Sana lang maka-attend pa ako ng mga ganitong klaseng events to widen my horizon sa bike culture. Alright guys, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. That means a lot for me. Alright, peace out.